y'all, it's your girl Drea over here at Charlotte's Web, and today we're doing another Dossier unboxing. I love Dossier. Their whole mission statement about affordable luxury and making recreations of expensive perfumes, it's right up my alley. I love glam. I love fashion. I love everything to do with looking pretty and feeling good and smelling good and all that stuff. And if I can get it at a good price, you know, when I mean good, I mean like not very much, then I'm down. I'm in. I'm doing it. I'm going for it. When I looked at their website, most of the scents run about $29 to $49. What really got me is they had a lot of Tom Ford, a lot of Gucci, a lot of Yves Saint Laurent. Like, there's a lot of scents. I'm personally a huge Tom Ford fan. I saw a lot of them that I wanted to get. So I did a video a month ago and I am back because I just got my new scent in. And I had to like come out here and talk to you guys about this again. And with Mother's Day coming, there's no reason that you can't get your mom a $29 bottle of French perfume. That's right. I said French perfume. Dossier is located in France. So their perfume is all French perfume. What? And if it doesn't get any better, how about some of these other details? Let's see. They're vegan, cruelty-free. They use recycled glass for their bottles, have recycled cardboard for their boxes. It's risk-free shopping. You can order up to 5 at one time. Check them out at your house. And if you don't like one or you don't like all of them, you can, within 30 days, you can send it back and get a full refund or an exchange. When you first get on their website, there is a quiz you can take. So if you're not sure, like if you're ordering for somebody else, like you're ordering for your mom for Mother's Day, you go on their website, kind of put in some different scents that you like, and then it'll give you some suggestions after that. And if they don't have the scent you like, then you can suggest it, and if they get enough suggestions, they'll go ahead and recreate it. Right now they are running a special. I believe it's, if you get 3 items, it's 10% off. 4 items, it's like 15 or 16% off, and 5 items, maybe 20% off. I do have a hyperlink in the description down there that should save you a few bucks. They sent me a personal discount code for you guys. Use Charlotte's Web 5. It'll get you 5% at checkout. Try to stack that with the other ones. You want to check out the scent? I'm dying to check out the scent. This is my new Tom Ford scent. My Dossier version, and I'm just like super jazzed, super excited. This is what your box is gonna look like when it shows up. With mine, I had like several scents. I had 3 different fragrances, so it came in another box, in a larger box. It's all recycled. Like I said, it's recycled, but it's really durable. So if you do have to send it back in this box. Here's another thing. Every bottle of Dossier comes with this card. This card is everything. This is all the facts on your Dossier perfume. See, mine is spicy vanilla. Can you see all that information? It has all the notes, you know, the top notes, all that stuff. It has what it's inspired by, concentration, a ton of information. This right here, this saves the day. This helps me a lot. Here's my bottle of Dossier. Look at that, spicy vanilla. Look at that big bottle. That is a 1.7 ounce bottle. That is a lot. That's a big bottle for $29 of French perfume. This is a very large bottle. Okay, let's give it a sniff, huh? I love that. It is spicy vanilla. I'm ready. I'm looking fabulous. I'm ready to go. Smell good. Definitely go over there. Mother's Day is coming up and you need to get your mom a Mother's Day gift. She's going to appreciate a nice bottle of perfume. Don't get her any cookware. As a mom, I would have preferred this. All right. Well, you guys have a great day and I hope to see you real soon again. Mwah. Until next time. Bye now.